initiative is not merely a project. It is a mission shaped by the real journeys of military families and inspired by one fundamental question. How do we continue supporting our soldiers long after they have retired? Every soldier who returns home carries with him decades of discipline, sacrifice, and service. But he also carries questions. Questions we as a society don't always see. The truth is simple. When a soldier retires, his uniform may come off, but his responsibilities do not. He still has dreams to pursue, families to care for, futures to secure, often without a structured support system. Sainik Setu was born to fill this gap with empathy, with structure, and with ingenuity. What I share with you today is not just a thought, it's a strategic roadmap for how Sainik Setu will accompany military families through the three major stages of their post-service journey. The model we call Transit, Thrive, and Trust. Phase 1, Transit. The difficult first step into civilian life. As highlighted in the core story of Sainik Setu, the first challenge after retirement is reintegration. When an ex-serviceman steps into civilian life, the first thought that crosses his mind is usually, what's next? He may not wish to move to a big city. He may want to stay in his home district close to his roots, his community, and his aging parents. But industries in these districts often overlook the trained, disciplined manpower available right in their backyard. This creates a mismatch, opportunity on one side and capability on the other. Sainik Setu will fix this mismatch. We will work with business houses, industries, and enterprises to make them aware of the exceptional talent pool available among ex-servicemen in the districts in which they operate. For the businesses, it's a great win as they will have access to pool of trained and disciplined manpower who want to stay in that district, thereby reducing attrition at an enterprise level and giving our personnel meaningful second career near to home. This phase also brings another challenge. When a soldier retires, he receives a substantial amount of funds, gratuity, DSOP, leave encashment, commutation of pension, but he returns home without trusted financial guidance. Sainik Setu will build a verified network of financial planners, chartered accountants, insurance advisors, and counselors who will help veterans make safe and wise decisions with the hard-earned funds they have earned with decades of sacrifice. It is about helping a soldier take his first uncertain step into the civilian world.